Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to learn how to mass transfer the records in Salesforce. We are going to discuss this topic in both the edition in Salesforce Lightning as well as Classic. So before we will proceed to learn to transfer the records, we will first discuss what are mass transfer records in Salesforce. In Salesforce, mass transfer records are defined as a process of transferring the ownership of multiple records, or we can say that one more records at a single time by a single click. This mass transferring feature is mainly used when we need to change the ownership of the records at once. For example, when an employee gives a registration and leaves a company and the manager needs to assign the same role to the another employee that is newly joined the company. Operating the mass transfer feature in Salesforce, a Salesforce administrator can transfer the title of up to 100 records at a particular time. At the same time, we can also find to transfer the ownership of all the related records as well. Now we will proceed and learn how to mass transfer the records in Salesforce Lightning. So for this, firstly we will log in to our Salesforce account and go to the gear icon. This is our gear icon. Click on the gear icon and under this gear icon we can see that there are two options. First one is setup and another one is service setup. Click on the setup option. After clicking on the setup option, the setup page is open and there is a quick find box. Enter the mass transfer records in this quick find box and you can see that the mass transfer records option is present. Click on that. After clicking on the mass transfer records, the mass transfer record page is open. And here you can see that the loads of mass transfer records are present, like transfer the accounts, transfer the applicants, transfer the appointment invitations, transfer the brokers, transfer the cards, transfer the change requests, transfer the contact points, transfer the contact point phones, emails, consents, addresses, schedule, etc. From all of these records, we can select the one of the record and here we are selecting the transfer accounts. After selecting the transfer accounts, the mass transfer accounts page is open. Here we are transferring the account from one user to another. When we transfer the ownership of an account, the new owner will also gain the ownership of the related record. First, search for the transfer from field. Click on the lookup icon and search for the user. Here we are clicking on the Vishali Gnotra as a user and we can transfer this account to. Then again click on the lookup and click on the integration user. We are transferring Vishali Gnotra to the integration user. Now select all the checkbox that is present here. After selecting all the checkbox, now find the accounts that match the following criteria. Firstly, select the type that is equal to the customer direct. Now scroll to the bottom and click on the find button. After clicking on the find button, the criteria matches account is shown under the find button. Here we can see the account names. Click the account names which we want to transfer. Here we are selecting these three and click on the transfer button. After clicking on the transferring button, we can see that which record we are selected are transferred from here, and the success message is shown that the 3 accounts transferred. Now we want to see our record is successfully transferred or not. For this, go to the app launcher, enter the sales, click on the sales. Now click on the accounts option. After clicking on the accounts object, the accounts recently viewed page is open. For seeing all the accounts changing this recently viewed page to all accounts. After applying the criteria, we can see that which account we are selected for transferring are shown and their account owner is changed from Vegano to the integrated user. These records are transferred to Vegano to the integrated user. So now we will proceed and learn to mass transfer the records in Salesforce Edition. So for the Salesforce Edition, we firstly move to the for the Classic Edition. So we will proceed and learn to mass transfer the records in Classic Edition. So for the Classic Edition, we firstly learn how to move to the Classic Edition. For this, we have to click on our profile picture. This is our profile picture. Click on that and you can see that there is an option switch to Salesforce Classic. Click on this option and we can see that our Salesforce Classic version is open. Now here we can mass transfer the records. Now click on the drop down menu of the user and under this there is a setup option. Click on that and then there is a quick find box and enter mass transfer records and select this option mass transfer records. After clicking on the mass transfer record option, the mass transfer record page is open. And here you can see that the loads of mass transfer records are present like transfer account, transfer applicants, transfer appointment invitation, transfer brokers, transfer cards, transfer change requests, transfer contact point type consent, transfer point emails, transfer addresses, etc. From all of these records, select one of the records and here we are selecting the mass transfer leads. After selecting the mass transfer leads, the mass transfer leads page is open. Now, firstly, enter the transfer from field. Click for entering the transfer from field, click on the lookup icon and select the user. And here we are selecting the user and then select the transfer to field. Firstly, click on the lookup icon and here we are selecting the integration user. And then we want to match the criteria of the lead. Then we first select the lead status which is equal to open not connected. Then click on find button. After clicking on the find button, we can see that the loads of records are present under this find button. Now select the records which you want to transfer. Here we are selecting these records and then click on the transfer button. After clicking on the transfer button, we can see that the 4 leads transferred message is pop up. For seeing our records are transferred or not, firstly click on the leads and you can see that the recent lead page is open. Now click on the drop down arrow of view page and click on the all open leads and click on go option. And you can see that the all open leads are visible. Before applying the criteria, the lead owner of all the 4 leads that we are selected for transferring is Vigano. And after applying the criteria, we can see that which lead we are selected for transferring are shown and their lead owner is changed to Vigano to integration user. This is how we can successfully transfer the mass records in Salesforce Classic. So with this, we have learned how to mass transfer records in Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.